How to make money online from app development. The mobile application development services industry serves a huge potential to businesses to earn millions of dollars. However, not every business mobile application earns an equal share of Android and iOS market revenue. Despite the similar mobile application development process for money-making apps, not every business gets to earn billions of dollars being transferred to their accounts. This is making startups who are yet to enter the mobile industry encounter questions like, how do apps make money? What are some successful app monetization strategies for business, etc.? We are going to tackle these questions in this video. AI and machine learning. App development is a great way to make money from machine learning. You can develop a subscription app where users can unlock some of the premium features. It is estimated that subscription apps generate at least 50% more money when compared to other apps with different types of in-app purchases. Make it available through the mobile, tablet to make it a more critical part of everyday life and transform more people. E-commerce. Another incredible way to make money with your apps is by selling products. This is an especially great solution if you are building an e-commerce application to sell your products. In this model, apps are usually free to download from app stores. You can make a great combo of your app marketing strategy with email marketing to offer products to the right audience. This differs from in-app purchases, where in-app users can purchase bonuses, virtual goods, virtual currency, or some premium features. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great if you want to make money through mobile app development. There is even a separate area in marketing affiliate marketing. Informational content about the affiliate company is hosted in the app, and you get rewarded for clicks and installs. These rewards are based on a price per action, CPA, model or share of income. In-app purchases. The in-app purchase feature is more relevant from a user perspective. In this income model, users can unlock some additional features or levels after purchasing an upgrade. In this model, the application can offer any bonus, premium content, virtual currency for the game, or unlock any additional level. More than 50% of the most popular mobile apps use in-app purchases to generate income. In the future, the number of such marketing mobile apps will only increase. Subscriptions. Subscriptions can be considered the best and most helpful strategy for app monetization. App publishers can offer free or relevant content in their apps for a limited period and then can charge appropriate subscription fees to enable users to read classified and relevant content they publish. The most common method used by most free app owners is to provide a free trial of the app and then charge users who want to continue charging subscription fees. In-app ads. This is probably the famous and easiest way to make money from your developed apps. Once you've built your app and are ready to launch, you can decide if you want to allow ads to appear in your app. Sponsorships. Another effective marketing app strategy works great if you are a developer and can find a sponsor with the same target market. Once you find a suitable sponsor, you can white label the app and adapt its design to match the sponsor's brand. Paid apps. These are applications that we develop with the sole purpose of making massive profits. We cannot download these mobile apps without paying a certain amount of money. What's more, they have a direct approach to delivering quality software to those willing to pay. The various apps have in-app purchase options to access premium features that can set them apart from the free app. To summarize, application developers need to research the market and understand the importance of the apps. Good collaboration with mobile service providers is essential to investigate market growth and the possibility of launching another application at an appropriate time. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in comment section about making money from app development. And subscribe to remain in touch with such money-making ideas.